Are you ready to make money while you sleep? What if I told you that you could earn $105 every day without any work or special skills? Stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. First up, let's get started by signing up for a really cool website called Travelpayout.com. It's your gateway to earning money easily without any hassle. All you need to do is go to their website, look around for a button that says Get Started, or something similar like Start Earning Today. Once you find it, click on it. This will take you to the sign up page where you can create your own account. Just enter your email address, choose a password that you won't forget, and click on Create an Account. That's all it takes. And it really only takes a few minutes of your time. You won't need any special information or skills to get signed up. After you've set up your account, you'll see your dashboard. Initially, your balance will show 0 since you just got started, but don't worry, we'll change that soon. Remember, signing up is completely free, and you are just steps away from making your first earnings through their affiliate programs. So, take that first step, sign up, and you're well on your way to potentially earning $105 every day, effortlessly. Once you've signed up and logged into your new account, the first thing you might notice is that your balance is at 0. But there's no need to worry about that. It's just the starting point, and it's going to change pretty quickly. On this site, you can earn money through what's called commissions. Commissions are a percentage of the sales you help make. Here, the commissions can range from 1% all the way up to 8%. What does that mean for you? Well, it means that every time someone buys something through one of your links, you get a piece of that sale, between 1% and 8% of the total price, to be exact. So, the more people you can get to make purchases, the more money you'll see in your account. It's like planting a seed and watching it grow into a tree. At first, it's just a small sprout, but as you water it and take care of it, it grows bigger and stronger. Similarly, your efforts here will start small, but can grow significantly over time, filling up your pocket as you go along. Just keep at it, and soon you'll see your balance start to grow from 0 to numbers you'll really like. Now that you're all set up, it's time to choose a program from which you can start earning. The website you joined, Travelpayouts, has a ton of affiliate programs. These are special partnerships where you promote other companies' services and get paid for it. I personally like to use the program for Trip.com because it's straightforward and easy to manage. Let me show you how to find it. First, you'll want to go to the section of the website where all the affiliate programs are listed. Look for a search bar or a place where you can type something in. Once you find it, just type Trip.com into that search area. This will bring up the program I use. Once you see it, just click on it to select it. Now, what's great about choosing a program like Trip.com is that it's all about travel, which is something a lot of people are interested in. This means there could be lots of opportunities for you to earn commissions every time someone books a trip. It's really as simple as picking the program, sharing links, and watching as your commissions come rolling in. So go ahead, search for Trip.com in the program list, and follow the steps to join it. It's your ticket to earning more. Alright, now that you've chosen a program to earn from, the next fun part is finding cool products or services to promote. Let's use Trip.com as an example. Imagine we want to promote something exciting, like tours in Rome, Italy. Why Rome? Because it's a popular destination full of history and attractions that lots of people dream of visiting. So, head over to Trip.com and in their search bar, type Rome, Italy. This will show you all the different tours and activities available in Rome. Look for something that catches your eye and is likely to be popular with others too. The Colosseum is a great start since it's famous worldwide. Click on the Colosseum tour to see more about what the tour offers. This is where you can find all the details you'll need to share with potential customers. Once you've selected the tour of the Colosseum, you're ready to start promoting it. You'll want to make sure you understand what makes this tour special, so you can tell others why they should book it. Sharing these cool finds with others not only helps them discover amazing places, but also helps you earn money each time someone books a tour through your link. So pick that tour, learn a bit about it, and get ready to spread the word. Great job finding a tour to promote. Now, let's turn that choice into money in your pocket. First, you need to create your affiliate link, which is how you'll earn commissions. Here's how to do it. Start by going to the page of the tour you chose on Trip.com, like the Colosseum tour we talked about. Up in the browser's address bar, you'll see the web page URL. Go ahead and copy this link. Just right-click on it and select Copy. Next, head back over to Travelpayouts. Once you're there, look for a button or link that says Create Link or something similar. This is usually easy to find on your dashboard. Click on it to open up the link creation tool. There should be a box where you can paste the URL you just copied from trip.com. Go ahead and paste it right there in that box. Then, simply click on a button that might say Generate or Create. Just like magic, the system will produce a new link for you. This new link is your affiliate link. It's special because it tracks whenever someone books the tour through your link, and that's how you earn your commission. Now that you have your affiliate link, you're all set to start sharing it and making money. Once you have your affiliate link, it's really important to keep everything organized so you can easily track your promotions and earnings. A great way to do this is by using a simple Google Doc. Here's how you can keep everything tidy and in order. First, open up Google Docs on your computer or device. Start a new document by clicking on the plus or new document button. Now, think of this document as your command center for all the affiliate links you're managing. At the top of the document, you might want to write a title like My Affiliate Links to keep things clear. In your document, start listing down the attractions or tours you are promoting. For example, write Rome, Italy Colosseum, if that's one of the tours you chose. Next to the name of the attraction, paste the affiliate link that you created in the previous step. It's a good idea to do this for each product or service you're promoting. This way, you have a neat list where each attraction is clearly linked to its corresponding affiliate link. This organized list will be a huge help when you need to find your links quickly for sharing on social media or in emails. It also helps you track which promotions are performing best, so you can focus more on what works and less on what doesn't. Keep this document updated, and it will make your affiliate marketing much smoother and more efficient. Now, let's dive into the really exciting part, using AI to promote your tours effortlessly. If you want to attract lots of visitors without spending hours creating content, you can use a tool called ChatGPT. This AI tool is fantastic for whipping up catchy content that you can use on platforms like Pinterest or even on blogs. Here's how you do it. First, open ChatGPT and tell it what you need. For example, you can say, create a table of top attractions in Rome with descriptions for a Pinterest pin. ChatGPT is smart and will understand your request, quickly generating a neat table or even a list of catchy phrases that describe each attraction vividly. You can also use ChatGPT to come up with blog post ideas or social media posts that highlight the unique aspects of the tours you're promoting. For Pinterest, you can ask it to create pin titles and descriptions that are optimized to catch the eye of potential travelers browsing through pins about travel. All right, we've made it to the final step. Now it's time to take all that fantastic content you've created with the help of AI and start sharing it with the world. This is where you get to see the results of your efforts by posting on platforms like Pinterest and Medium. On Pinterest, you can create pins using the catchy titles and descriptions that ChatGPT helped you generate. Make sure to include images of the attractions like the Colosseum to make your pins visually appealing. For each pin, use the affiliate link for the corresponding tour. This way, when someone gets interested and clicks on your pin, they'll be taken straight to the booking page through your affiliate link. Thanks for watching! If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share this video with friends who'd love to earn extra money too.